Welcome back. My name is Russ Heffley, and today we're going to take a look at web-based reporting that comes with the PowerPack. So we'll go to Data and Reporting, Reports, Web-based Reports. And here you have 4 reports that you can use if you're a standard-based school. You also have a transcript, but let's take a look at one of them, the low grade report. And we're going to use the 7 students that we had selected earlier. And you just put the grade value that you like. What term do we want to use? We'll say semester 1. And do we want the final historical grade or do we want the current grade like a progress report? So we're going to have a current grade, and we're not going to include any of the ELL or SPD or 504. And we're going to sort by last name. So we'll click on Submit. And it looks like we have, these students do have a grade of F. Gives you some instructions at the top. You can also download this as a CSV file or a PDF file. So again, just a very simple, generic report that comes with the PowerPack. I hope this helps. Join us again as we continue to walk through the features of PowerSchool.